Assalamualaikum lovely viewers, this is Allight World Learning tutorial for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create PDF Microsoft Excel. So we will go to the Microsoft Excel file. This is the file. So in above the things, create a PDF. So click here. You can create an every try to convert. See new documents. No need to do this thing. Convert PDF. Is it working or not? This thing. Continue. No need to do these things. We ignore the things. Add file. No, we just directly do what? Save as or desktop. Here the things we can do it. So where the PDF? See PDF. See, the thing has been revealed here totally clearly. So in this way you can do this thing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and upload this tutorial.